Good morning, students. Myself Kamal Nath. I welcome you all in the class of grammar. Today and this week we are going to learn grammar. It's a new chapter, chapter 14, conjunctions. Well known, as you have been reading for several years, and you know what are conjunctions and what are their uses. I am sure the part I am going to explain you today, you will learn it and you will understand, you will enjoy it. So let's go and see about conjunctions, about their types. So first, the question is, what is conjunction? So a conjunction is a word that connects elements of a sentence. A conjunction is a word that connects elements of a sentence such as words, phrases or clauses. Conjunctions connects the words of a sentence, phrases or clauses. The three types of conjunctions are, there are three types of conjunctions: subordinating conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. There are three kinds: subordinating, coordinating and correlatives. Let's learn one by one them here. What are subordinating conjunctions, what are coordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. First we will start from coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are single words that connect similar parts of a sentence. Coordinating conjunctions are single words. Let's your mind here. It is of single words that connects similar parts of sentence such as adjectives, nouns and clauses. We will see in the examples how these conjunctions connects adjectives, nouns and clauses in the sentence. And the acronym, that is fanboys, is often used to refer to coordinating. What is acronym? That is what here first letter of some conjunctions, that is called acronym, and that is fanboys. Those conjunctions are fanboys. Here F stands for. F stands for the conjunction for. You can see below. For. A belongs for and. N belongs or stands for nor. Here you can understand here the conjunctions are given here at the last only here. F stands for, A for and, N stands for no, B for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet and yes stands for so. It's a acronym. Short form of all these here prepositions, conjunctions are first letter is given, and that makes here fanboys. It is often used to refer to coordinating conjunctions. Let us see the examples of these here conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions we have discussed right now. I am going on a cruise to Mexico, Jamaica and Aruba. You can see here, these here are some of the words, some of the places and nouns that is joined by coordinating conjunction and. I really want to go skiing, but there isn't enough snow on the slopes. Here you can see very easily two sentences are joined here. I really want to go skiing, and the other sentence is there isn't enough snow on the slopes. These are joined by conjunction but. Meredith doesn't want an orange nor a grapefruit. There are two nouns that is here joined by nor, orange and a grapefruit. Her dress was blue and purple. In this sentence, two adjectives are joined here. You can see blue and purple by coordinating conjunction. And Jenny could not find her notes last night, so she could not study for her test. Very easily you can see here, two clauses are joined here with the conjunction so. And in this way you can see the acronyms that you have read here of single word conjunction. They are used here in these sentences to join nouns, words, clauses or phrases. It's very clear. So I do understand that you can understand here coordinating conjunctions. What are coordinating conjunctions generally? Here I have already here described you acronyms that you have here already seen here. Acronym, that is fan voice, and they are given here for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. And now I have given you an exercise so that you can do these exercises in your copy. Choose the options from given, that is in the bracket, for, and, no, but, or, yet, so. Although there are more conjunctions in the bracket here than the blanks you are given in the exercise. So just choose whichever you need, which conjunctions you need to fill in the blank. You can see here, first sentence, would you rather have cheese dash bolgona or your sandwich? You can better here think what conjunctions will be suitable for it here to be given in the blank here. His two favorite sports are football dash tennis. I wanted to go to the beach dash Mary refused. I am allergic to cats. I have 3 of them. I am a vegetarian dash I don't eat any meat. Very clear. You have been given here in the bracket. Choose them. I am sure very easily you must have already decided, chosen which prepositions are which conjunctions are suitable for which blank. So thank you students being with me in this session of video, watching it. I am sure you must have understood. Thank you students very much.